how to add a new profile on Prime Video. Hi everyone, welcome back to Apps Academy. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how you can create a new profile on Prime Video application. First of all, launch open the Prime Video app on your device and log in. Once you're logged into the home page of Prime Video, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the My Stuff button. Once you're inside My Stuff, tap on the drop down at the top right above the watchlist button, and this will take you to this profile section. To add a new profile, click the plus button where it says new, and then go ahead and enter a profile name. Once you are done, you can also upload an image for your profile by tapping on change image. Select a profile picture from the options provided, and then once you do that, if it is a kids profile that you are adding, toggle on the button right next to kids profile. If not, leave it turned off, and finally click on save at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you will be able to add a new profile on Prime Video. The new profile will appear in the Who's Watching menu. Each profile has its watch list, recommendations, and viewing history. So that's how you successfully add a profile on Prime Video. Each users can now enjoy their own watch list and recommendations. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.